How are you all doing today? I'm sure you're doing fine. I got a message. Someone says, Noel, please can you teach me how to address Martin Live? This is Martin and Max 600. Okay, the console that I'll be using is Tiger Touch. I'm going to show you how to set your address on this fixture. Once you click on the menu, you see this is it. I don't want this. You click on menu again, then you go to the address. This is the address. So once you get here, you click enter, then you set the number you want to. But my console, I've addressed it at 387. So once I'm good with the address, I click on enter, and that's all. So back to my Tiger Touch. I'm going to show you how I'm going to control the whole thing. Yep, back to a Tiger Touch console. So the address there was 387. So I want to patch it on this. I'm using line 4. That's where my DMS cable is connected. So once you click on patch, you can see patch, then you search for the light. The light is Martin's Max 600. You click on fixture, then you look for Martin's MART. See, you can see the options here. Then you click on it. So you look for your Max 600. You can see Max 600. You click Max 600. What mode is it? It's on mode 4. I'm going to show you very soon. Mode 4. Then you can see the available address. But I want to use what's the number again? 387. This is what I want to use. Then I patch it. I can add it here, and that's all. So you exit, clear, exit, clear. So you pick on it, and you can increase your dimmer to, that's a light. See it over there? And you can increase your dimmer to 100. 100, not still coming on. You go to strobe. Your strobe is open. So why is it not coming on? Now this is one of the mistakes people make after patching. Most often the lamp doesn't come on, and the reason being that you have to micro on. Most of these lights, they have macro on mode. So what you have to do, click on it, then you press the last soft button, your macro, then you click on macro lamp on. As soon as it's done, that's all. Then you pick your light again, pick it again, and dimmer, increase it. You can see the light. You can see, and tilt. I'm gonna tilt my light now. You see that? I want to pan. See that? And I hope you guys understand this. If you have any more questions, you can send me a message on my email, and I'll be glad to answer your questions. Thank you so much, Noelite and Films.